wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids!
From A to Z,
From east to west,
I am Noah.
and I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again. Today we have a special episode. Special, right, Olivia?
Yeah, super special.
What are we going to teach the kids today?
The alphabet!
Whoa! Remember last time you saw me struggling by remembering my name? Well, today you need to help me out because today Olivia is going to teach me how to spell my name. And I'm going to teach Olivia how to spell her name with the alphabet. But let's first do the basics, right?
Yes, let's go through the alphabet first.
Should we sing the alphabet song?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, are you ready, kids? I think so. 1, 2, 3.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Didn't you love learning that with me?
Woo, that's funny. That was very well sung. You have such a good voice.
Aw, thank you.
Should we do that one more time and maybe a little bit slower?
Yes.
So, 1, 2, 3.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Woo!
Woo!
Very nice. And now let's do it really, really fast.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, W, X, Y, and Z.
I think I was faster.
I think I'm faster.
I think I was faster.
I heard me say Z first.
No, let's do that again.
Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
I didn't even start. 1, 2, 3. After 3.
I was already finished.
1, 2, 3.
A, B, C, Z.
What? That can't. You did not do that. That didn't work. No, you're cheating.
Oh, I might have skipped a few letters.
You, I think you went from A to Z.
No, I said B. Okay. I won't cheat this time.
Okay, so let's do that again. 1, 2, 3.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
I got it.
I got confused.
Where did you get confused?
Somewhere near P and N and W's.
Well, then let's do it one last time, and then we can go to our woodcraft.
Okay.
So one more time, so you're not confused, and so the kids don't get confused, right?
Yeah.
So, let's do it in the medium pace, okay?
Yes.
So let's do that one more time.
Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know our ABCs. Let's paint our names with the letter
And an O.
N-N-O.
O stands for
Olivia!
Exactly. Exactly. And N stands for Noah.
Yay!
So, let's start painting. We have our 2 easels here, right? And what else do we need?
A paintbrush and paint.
So, I think I'm going to use my favorite color, blue.
I'm going to use all the colors.
And I'm going to use yellow and black. So, in order to paint, of course, we can't use our fingers. What do we use in order to paint on our letter?
With a palette and a paintbrush.
We have paintbrushes that are a little bit thicker, and then we have paintbrushes that are a little bit thinner, right?
Yes.
So, how about we get started?
Okay, I'm ready.
Why are you always so quick?
I'm excited.
Do you need a paintbrush?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
I'm going to take mine, and let's get started.
Okay. I'm going to use, I think some red. And then, what colors are you using? I don't know. Maybe I think maybe I want a blue. I like painting here.
Me too.
Wow, your O looks beautiful.
Thank you. Your N looks very nice too.
Yours is very colorful.
Yeah, I love colors, so I made mine colorful.
Should we show it to our kids?
Yeah, I'm done. Let me show my O. Ta-da!
This is my N.
Ooh.
Do you like it?
I do.
So, how about now that we've learned the alphabet and we've learned the first letter of our names, how about we spell your name?
Okay.
We do it together.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Olivia.
Olivia, right?
Yep, that's my name.
Now let's do my name. It starts with an N. Ready?
Yep. N-O-H.
No, that's not the right way to spell my name.
I forgot the letter A. A. Okay, let's try again.
Okay, so it's
N-O-A-H.
That is correct.
Yay!
Spells what name?
Noah!
Yay! Correct! Well, kids, that's how you learn the alphabet. And I hope you will be able to write the first letter and maybe even your whole name with wooden letters. Wouldn't that be nice?
Yeah. If you do, send a picture so we can see too. And show some of the other kids maybe too.
Good. Well, I think that's it for today, right, Olivia?
Yep, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed learning the alphabet with us.
Bye, kids!
Bye!
Give a hands up for Bob Ross!
You ain't Bob Ross. Move over.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.